Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ron. In this class we have learned that how to build the animation effects using HTML, and I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share friends, subscribe to my channel. And neighbors. Okay, so I'll not take your long time, so let's start the video.
Now, first of all, I will see you what we are building. We will building that button hover effect in HTML. Here we can see it. We can building that button hover effect. Yes, I will building that for you. So let's start the video. So now, first of all, here I will go to the open with choose another app. Erase it. Save. Refresh. So now, first of all, here we can write HTML button hover effect, and now here we can write style, enter. Here we can write body, enter. Margin 0, enter. Height 100 VH, enter. Display flags, enter. Justify content, enter. Align items, enter. Background color should be light golden or the yellow. And then enter UL, enter padding 0, enter list style type none, enter li, enter font size 25 pixels, enter width 8 em, enter height 2 em, enter text align, enter line height should be 2 em, enter font family serif, enter text transform should be capital Z, enter. So now dilemma will get done, and now here we can dilemma will get done. So I go up, so here we can now text transform should be capitalized, and here we can write position relative, enter margin 0.8 em, enter. So dilemma will get done, margin 0. And here we can write li sorry, not here, li before comma li after, enter. Here we can write, and so now here enter it. Here we can write content that, enter position absolute, enter width 0.6 em, enter height 0.6 em, enter background color should be green bordeaux, top should be like calyx should be 55% minus 0.5
0.3 cm, and here we can space it. Enter border radius 50%, enter transition 0.5 second, enter kavik Bezier 0.5, 0.5, 0.25, 1.5. So the layer my work is done. So I go to the down to me. And now enter. Here we can write li before, and here we can write, sorry, not here we can write left 0, and here we can write until done work, and here we can write like z index will be 1 and li before, sorry, after, and we can write, sorry, right should be 0, z index should be my -2, z index, enter. Here we can write li hover should be color white, enter. Li hover before, li hover effect until work is done. Hover after, sorry, not effect, after. And here we can write width 100%, enter. Height 100%, enter. Border radius 0, enter. Background color should be my dark blue, enter. Li hover before, top 0 till left 0.2 em, enter. Li hover after, enter. Right 0.2 em, enter. Filter should be brightness should be 0.8. तो हमारे CSS की सारी कोड हो चुके हैं. अब हम लोग HTML के लिखेंगे. थोड़े से HTML के इतने नहीं है, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ये जो HT है इसे हम लोग उठा के इरेज कर लेते हैं और यहाँ पे हम पेस्ट करते हैं. अब एंटर. अब UL लगाते हैं. li को हम लोग पहले सबसे पहले यहाँ पे लिखेंगे होम, इधर आपको लिख देना है एड्रेस. So now here you can write address, and here you can write iPhone, and here you can write name. Save, refresh. So here you can see it easily build it, but it's not color is coming. So I see what is my mistake. So now I will see my mistake. It is my mistake. Here you can write minus. Okay, minus. So here you can see it is
Here we can not go in minus, then save, then refresh. So it is not coming. Here you can see it. Now you can pick. Here you can click the minus and save, then save, then refresh. So here you can see it. Easily we can build that. How to build the button hover effect using HTML and CSS. Easily I will build that for you. It is very beautiful video and very okay. So it is my video. So I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel. So for today, goodbye.